Let me share with you why high ticket closing is the easiest money that you'll ever make. You see, most people, they have a 9 to 5, right? They work 9 to 5, and that's their typical schedule. But what if you don't want to work 9 to 5? What if you want to work fewer hours? What do you do? So let me teach you how you can make an incredible income with just one client. That's all you need. Just one client is all you need to make an incredible income. So let's crunch some numbers. Let's say your client has a $5,000 high ticket offer, $5,000 high ticket offer, and let's say your commission is 10%. 10%. That means what? It means for every sale that you make how much? $500, right? That's your cut for your effort. 500 bucks. And let's say, you know what, you talk to on average 5 prospects a day. And let's say your closing ratio is 20%. Using my proven script, 1 out of 5, 20%, that's it. That means what? It means that you make 1 sale a day. That means you make $500 a day. $500 a day. And let's say you don't want to work 5 days a week. You only want to work 4 days a week. You want to take Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. Just 4 days a week, 5 calls, 500 bucks a day. That means what? That equals $2,000 per week that you're earning. Multiplies that by 4 weeks, that's $8,000. $8,000 for helping people. For helping people to make a decision that they know that they need to make just by talking with people, connecting on the phone. That's it. My question to you is, that $8,000, how much have you spent on marketing? 0. What is your business expense? 0. Have you created a single product? Not at all. And what's beautiful about this is this, that $8,000 that you're making, you've just generated $80,000 in sales for the company and for the entrepreneur. Do you see how this is a win-win? Are you happy making $8,000? I would think so. Is the client happy for you to help them to generate an additional $80,000 in revenue? Yes. Is the prospect that you're closing happy? Yes, because they're investing in themselves, they're buying a product service that they know or they want, and they're investing at a high level. You see, within our HTC family, our global community, every single time one of my students closes a sale, makes money, we always hear a, this is our HTC button. Every single time they do that, we share that within our Facebook group and you'll hear a boom. Let me share some booms with you.
Boom and boom. Double boom. I secured 2 influencers in 2 days. The first one is in the digital marketing space with packages between $2,000 and $15,000 at a 35% recurring commission. The second one is in the personal development space with package at $2,000 and 10% commission. I am so happy, so grateful to everyone, the HTC support team, and everyone in the HTC family that has helped me along the way.
HTC family, how's everyone doing? This is Mauricio Barrios coming to you from Buenos Aires, Argentina, Season 2 graduate. I just wanted to share a huge boom with you guys, a huge win for myself. I finally closed my ideal influencer as of yesterday, and I'm gonna start closing for him at the beginning of January, the first week. So my influencer, he's in the real estate niche. He has 2 coaching programs, a $5,000 and a $10,000 one, and I'm gonna be closing for him at 10% commission.
And you know what's amazing? What you've just seen, a lot of my students, they have never done any sales before. They had 0 sales experience before HTC. People from all walks of life developing the high income skill, and you could see the results. But here's what gets very exciting. Let's say you're closing not a $5,000 offer, instead you're closing a $10,000 offer. And let's say you get a little bit better, that the company and the entrepreneur you're working with, instead of paying you 10%, they're saying you do such a phenomenal job, I want to give you 15% commission for every sale that you make. That means for every $10,000 sale that you close, you make how much? $1,500. $1,500 cash in your pocket for every sale that you close. And let's say now with experience, you get a little bit better. Instead of closing 1 out of 5, you close 1 out of 4. means your closing ratio is 25% instead of 20%. You see how that works? And then instead of talking to 5 people a day, you're gonna talk to 8 people a day. You say, you know what? I don't mind putting hours. I'm gonna treat this as a profession. This is my career, right? 8 prospects a day, and you close how many? 2 of them. Here's what it looks like. 2 sales a day. That equals to $3,000, not per week, per day that you're earning. $3,000. And let's say you don't mind to work, not 4 days, but you don't mind to work 5 days a week. You take still Saturday, Sunday off. 5 days a week, 2 sales a day, that's $15,000 a week that you're earning. Times that by a year, that's $720,000 a year. Now, I'm not saying you're gonna make $720,000 a year, right? But what if you could make half of that? What if you could make even 20% of that? How would that affect your life? How would that impact your life? And the bottom line is this: how much have you spent in terms of business expense? 0. Have you created a single product? No. You see how this works? You see how this model is so much more effective, and why this is the logical step to get your foot in the door, to start earning that income first, develop that first high income skill. Could you see how this is possible? And we have success stories from my students from over 150 countries, from all walks of life. Every single day we have like booms going on. Let me share some more with you.
Hello HTC family, my name is Stephanie McEachlan. Boom! I just closed a sale today for $500,000 with the 2% commission. I started this class only 2 weeks ago, but I already can feel the difference that I am better than I was 2 weeks ago. So thank you so much, Shifu Denlock and all the HTC family. And I look forward to help others the way HTC has helped me.
Boom! Actually, let me try that again because I don't think that was quite loud enough for the size of this deal. Boom! Just closed a $26,000 B2B deal for our alliance partner, and my commission was 20%. That's right, baby. $26,000 deal, 20%. I am feeling so grateful now. I am shouting, boom! And I'm sharing this with you because this was made possible by HTC and by the mindset that I've been able to learn and understand, the mindset of abundance, the mindset of gratitude, the mindset that allows me to connect with that prospect and really understand what they're trying to accomplish. In this case, company had a really bad experience with the previous provider, worked with this company. I'm not going to mention any names or any countries or anything like that, but let's just say they worked with a provider and they basically took them to the cleaners. They worked with them for more than a year and could not get that shit done. And they actually, the company is, I mean, it sucks to be them, but they had to go back and reinvest almost the same amount of money all over again to make it happen. But they did it anyway because it was so important for them to get that outcome. And that's part of what we're doing with HTC. We're helping them connect, whether it's B2C, B2B, helping them connect with what's not working and what are they really trying to accomplish, and the fact that we can help them make it happen. So I'm feeling so grateful right now.
Edmund, one of my students, made $10,000 of pure profit with $0 spent on marketing. Tina, she's working for her influencer for 3 days just per week, 3 days per week part-time right now. For just 1 month, she closed $63,000 at 10% commission. Latif closed his first influencer. Package ranged from $4,000 all the way up to $90,000 for 15%, not 10%, 15% to 20% commissions, and 5 to 10% residual after that. So Dev, boom, I closed the first sale for my influencer last night at 11:38 p.m. Made $1,095 in one single phone call. And what's amazing is it's not just because they're earning money, and I'm very, very proud of that, but because that through this high income skill, they're able to discover something within themselves. They're able to develop more self-confidence. Also, they're able to find finally kind of their callings and their purpose, what they want to do to become the best version of themselves. One thing I believe in business is this: whoever makes it rain controls the game. What is going on? I'm teaching here. I've got a class going on. Like, who is that? Who is this?
Oh, hey there, sir. This is a lovely home you have here. It'd be a shame if it burned to the ground. That's why I'm selling these fire extinguishers today. They actually have A, B, and C, all the...
You see, that's cold calling. It's slimy, it's greasy, you are acting as an annoying pest. You're interrupting the neighbors, they're doing something. They may be in the middle of a class and then you knock on their door. That's not what we do. That's not what high-tech closing is about. Let me show you what high-tech closing looks like.
Hey, I saw smoke. Is everything okay?
Yeah, when my house is on fire.
Yeah, take the fire extinguisher.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Let me know if you need anything else.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, How could I ever repay you?
Oh, no, that's fine. That's what neighbors
No,
are for.
please. I got some money on me. He's $1,000. Please, please take
We're
it.
neighbors.
Please,
It's all right.
please. You saved my family, saved my house. Thank you. Please take it just to show my appreciation.
Okay.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And that's what high ticket closing looks like and sounds like. You are not being the annoying pest. Instead, you are the welcome guest. I'm not talking about being the slimy, oily salesperson. I'm talking about being a professional. We're not pushing people. We're not manipulating people. Here's what we're doing. Don't you think it's a good idea if someone, a prospect, they are already looking to buy what you have to sell, but they need some extra information, right? They're looking for extra help. They're looking for someone to kind of walk them through the process and answer any concerns or questions that they might have. And that's what makes you so valuable for companies and entrepreneurs, because they have done 95% of the work, right? They have created the interest, they have created the desire, right? They're selling the initial low ticket offer. They have brought in that prospects, that qualified prospects, and you come in and you do the 5% that matters. Because at the end of the day, what are we talking about? We're talking about that one-on-one human connection. Because think about in your own life, the people that you care about the most, the people who care you about the most, people who have helped you or you have helped them the most. How did you do it? Wouldn't you agree it's kind of difficult to do that on a web page or through a tweet or just a Facebook post? You do that through telephone or you do that in person. And that's what high ticket closing is about.